Greetings, people. So, continuing my last video, though I haven't uploaded any since a long time, I was busy collecting content for you people. Anyway, so in this video, I'll be telling you about the academics. After, once you get into the campus, I told you what are the things that you have to do. But what about the academics? I didn't tell you, right? So, in this video, I'll be telling you about the very first thing that you have to do even before your classes start. So that is giving, or you can say taking an exam. Yeah, you have to take an exam called EPT. So it's basically an English exam, English proficiency test. So in this exam, whatever your score is, if it is above 45, you will get French. If it is below 45, you will have to study English for an entire semester. So, good and bad things. So, good thing about this is that you don't have to give any exams. Like in French, you have to give Cat 1, Cat 2, and FAT. Like two um, to internal exam, whatever you want to say about to it, and one final exam if you get French. But in English, to get the credits, you just have to do digital assignments and your classroom assessments, whatever your teacher tells you to do. That's it, easy. Bad thing about this is that you will not get a chance to learn French. No big deal, right? Now, coming to the subjects that you have to learn in first year of MSc in data science, first sem actually. So we have 6 subjects, namely probability and distributions, matrix, research methodology, programming for data analysis, and FODS, foundation of data science, and soft skills. So these are 6 subjects, and you'll be having 2 labs also for programming for data analysis and R programming. Yeah, so theory and lab both. Before going ahead in this video, I have a suggestion for you guys. Before you enter this college, first thing is that you should not expect too much that you will learn everything in college and the college teachers will teach you everything. Please don't do that. There are some prerequisites. Either anybody tell you or not, I'll be telling you this is a humble request from you guys that you should learn Python, R programming, linear algebra basics, metrics, and statistics basics, probability. Basically, these are the prerequisites, because if you haven't studied any of this before, you will have tough time here. Like you will take a lot of time to understand things. You will score less in your first exam because teacher will be teaching on their own pace. They will think that you might have already learned it in your bachelor's. No matter which stream you had in your bachelor's, they might say that yeah, we understand that you had different stream and all, but it doesn't happen. They have to teach on their own base to cover the syllabus. So take this as a prerequisite and learn it. Coming to the timetable. So timetable and schedule is quite scattered throughout the day. Like sometimes in a week, your day will start by 8 in the morning and you will be done by 12. Easy, right? But someday it is like from 8 to 12, then from 3 to 5:30. Sometimes it is like 8 to 12, then from 5:30 to 7:20. So depends upon the day and the batch you are in. So there are 3 batches in this year. Batch 1, that is morning batch. Batch 1 and batch 3 are morning batch, and batch 2 is afternoon batch. I'm in the morning batch. I love the schedule of that batch. Batch 2 schedule is quite scattered. Like they'll be having their lab in the morning and then theory in the afternoon. So this explanation is quite vague. Uh, I can tell you the batch 1 is better. There are many things about it. So yeah, that was about the schedule. It is kind of good if you're in morning batch, and about the classes. So if you are in A or B blocks, especially for girls, your classes will be very far. Like you have to walk a lot. So take your shoes with you and wear some comfortable footwear, because damn sure that you have to walk a lot. About the girls who are living in E, F, CD blocks. For them, it is not that tough because the classes, like the building in which the classes will be holding for us, it is SGT, so it is near to their hostel. But still, like sometimes the classes shift, So in VIT, you have to walk a lot because since I told you the timetable is scattered, sometimes you have to attend some class, then you go back to your hostel, then you come back, and then you go back to your hostel. So it's a thing over here. So yeah. So additional info, like from the beginning when you get into like the college, when your classes start, within a week or two, your proctor or your teachers will start to telling you things about the project. So yeah, in 3 semesters you have to make 3 projects, and in final semester you will be doing either an internship or a master thesis based on your choice. Now, about the project. So, you have to do the project in a team of three, like maximum 3 people are allowed in a team. You can do the project alone or with 2 people. But in the very first week only, they will start asking you to make teams and choose your project topic and discuss it with your guides. So they will give you the list of teachers from SAS, School of Advanced Science Department, and you have to meet the teacher. You can see their qualifications, and then you can decide which teacher you want as your guide. And it is not up to you only. The teacher should be available also. So yeah, these are the things that you have to do. And about the project, guys, if you want to do any ML or AI project, so again, prerequisite, you have to learn the basics and everything of your own, because in first semester you don't have a subject machine learning or AI. So the very basic subjects are there and theoretical subjects are there in first semester. So if you wish to do any good project to add it in your resume, you have to learn things of your own. So it's better if you learn them in advance before actually your academics start, because you will be too busy in studying for your academics that you will not get time to do the project. You will end up doing the project in the very, like when your deadline is very close. So even in the vacations, you will get 2 vacations. First will be Diwali vacation and second will be winter vacation. So in Diwali vacation, we didn't do anything because immediately after the Diwali vacation, within a week you will have your CAT 1, that is your internal exam, and within an interval of 1 month, not 1 month actually, 20-25 days, you will have your CAT 2. So CAT 1 and CAT 2 are 2 exams over here, and then FAT, it will be happen in the month of February. So that will be a final exam for the first semester. So CAT 1 examination pattern is like you'll be having 5 questions. You have to attempt all of them, 10 marks each. You will get 90 minutes for that. It will be tough and lengthy. Study accordingly. CAT 2 will be open book. You will be allowed to take one notebook and one textbook with you, handwritten notes basically. Exam will be tough. Obviously, they will not give you direct questions, so you have to like make notes smartly for that. And if you have any other questions about the examination, you can comment. I'll try to reply all of them. Okay, so coming back to the project, so you will not get time to do the project within this interval. Everybody will be doing the project in the winter vacation only, before or in the winter vacations. So winter vacation usually start during the Christmas, and it will be there for like 3 to 4 January. It is of 10 odd days. So yeah, that was about the project. You will be having set conference. You basically have to write a research paper, and you have to present a PPT. So if your research paper is really good, they might publish it nationally or internationally. Depends on your project and many things actually. So yeah, that was about the project. And then you will be having your like for lab examination, you will be having only final exam. There will be no internal lab like CAT 1 lab or CAT 2 lab. There's just one lab. So that was about the academics, guys. Now, if you ask me like what all are the events that happen in VIT to enjoy the college life, not to burst your bubble or be a bummer, there is this one thing that being a master student, you will not get much time to participate in any event. Like you have to try or you have to manage a lot of things if you really want to participate in any clubs or events. But still, I will tell you, the first event that happened, it was Gravitas. It was really good event. Like there are many activities that happen. For every activity, you have to register, and sometimes you have to pay also, even to see some events. But it was fun on and all. Then they celebrate Navratri, so you can do Garba and all. Then there is Primavera The event is basically for fresher student. You can participate, you can dance, sing, and there are many activities that happen. But you will not get time. I'm sorry. And Rivera will happen in the month of February. So that is something that you can enjoy. Like you will get holidays for Gravitas and for Rivera. So these are two events. Then there are many clubs like dance clubs, singing clubs, some robotic clubs and coding club and Google developer club. If you really want to join this club, you have to manage a lot, like your time and everything. You'll not get time again. So that was about this video, guys. If you have any other queries, you can ask me in the comment box. Or if you want more information, if you want me to cover more information in video, you can ask me. I can make another video. But that was about this video. Ciao.